In this question, we'll be finding the equation again. Now, we're given this graph over here with this information. Now, they will like show that a equals 1 over, again, I'm going to repeat this. They don't give you this easier information or this whole information. Some points, you'll have to find them yourself because sometimes they mix the graphs. Maybe this graph is a straight line, so you'll have to use some things about the straight line to find some other points of this parabolic function. It's not this easy in an exam, but just understand here. We'll do the exam questions. They don't give you these points like this. If they do so, I just know that it's so easy. Anyways, so in this question, they'll like show that a equals 1 over 6, b equals 1 over 6 as well. So they're not telling you to use these values to find, I don't know what you'll be finding, but do not use these values. You might as well do something like this. Wipe them out like this. Then pretend as if you don't know them, you have to find them. And I told you in the previous video that it's all about determining the equation of the graph. Anyways, let's check on the given information. So from the equation, no information given at all. But from the graph, there is some given information here. There is this minus 3 is the y-intercept. And the y-intercept in the y-intercept form covers what? Covers c, the value of c. So yeah. Okay, so c is given. Don't worry. Sorry. This means g at x will now be ax squared plus bx minus 3. In the place of c, I plugged minus 3. There. Now let's use the two points, sorry. So we know how to use the point. I'm gonna start with the 3 versus minus 1 point. Okay, now in the place of y, I'm gonna plug minus 1 equals it. A is unknown, x is 3, then squared, plus b is unknown as well, x 3 minus 3 for y, for c. Then I'm going to take that c to this side. It's going to be that minus 1 plus 3, going to be 2 equals, this is 9a, that one is going to be 3b. Okay. Now I've obtained my first equation. Moving on to the other point, the second point, that's 5 versus 2. Yeah. So in this equation, in the place of y, I'm going to plug 2 for that y value. Then a is still unknown into 5 squared plus b is, okay. For this point, you use this equation the way it is. There. That's what I did to obtain the first equation. In the second point, for the second point, actually, you use that same unknown equation. So that's what I'm doing here. Then it's 5 minus 3. Okay, I'm going to take the negative 3 to the side again. It's going to be 5 equals 25a plus 5b. Then it's 2 over here. Equation number 2. Okay. So again, two equations are obtained. For the first one, for simultaneous thingy, going to be 2 equals 9a plus 3b. Then it's 5 equals 25a plus 5b, equation number 2. And I'm going to start over here to finding b. So to find b, it's going to be 3b equals, I'm going to take this one to this side, 2 minus 9a. Divide both sides by 3, by 3, by 3, making the value of b 2/3 minus 3a. Now I've found the value of b, which is incomplete though. I'm going to plug it over there. 5 equals 25a plus 5b was found to be 2/3 minus 3a. Then it's 5 equals 25a plus, removing the bracket, it's 5 times 2 over 3. It's going to be 10 over 3. 5 times that minus 15a. Then group the like terms. I'm going to take this 10 over 3 to this side, which is going to give me 5 over 3 equals 25a minus 15a is going to be 10a. Again, I'm going to divide both sides by 10 by 10. So the way of writing this, I always tell my students that the way of writing this, let it not be 5 over 3 over 10. You might get a wrong answer here because some of you struggle, or a lot of learners struggle with typing this in the calculators. So instead, if you're going to get confused, just do it like this. 5/3 divided by 10. This is not wrong, and it always works. Even this one always works, but there is miscalculations with that one. Anyways, so the value of a is going to be 1 over 6. Then, since I found the value of a, I'm going to plug it over here to find the value of b. b equals 2 over 3 minus 3 into 1 over 6, which is going to make it 1 over 6 as well. Then, see, so we have found the value of a and b. So in the place of a, we plug a 1 over 6, then 1 over 6 as well. Then, so for this kind of question, please guys, just act as if you don't know these values, you're finding them. And in completion, for your own information or to answer the following questions, find that whole equation, that gx equals, in the place of a, 1 over 6, then x squared, in the place of b, 1 over 6 as well, x, then for c minus 3. This is the complete equation. And thank you for watching.